Hello everyone. How are you today? Today is February 16th, 2020, Sunday. Today is unfortunately rain. No beautiful day, but we driving by 65 years old car, the pussy wagon today too. Yeah, it's no problem. Rainy day, sunny day, anytime, windy day, we can drive every day. So I told you about our car's engine story yesterday. I already swapped 2 times for our car's engine. So right now, Shorty rebuilt engine put on there. So today, I want to tell you about the air condition. Yeah, of course, our car has air condition. It's vintage air. So if I swap motor from Sturge 6 to V8 engine, I asked to Shorty about AC too, because used to be I drove in Tokyo. Tokyo's traffic's crazy, and Tokyo's summer is way more crazy. So I must need air condition. So Shorty said, of course, we can put on the air condition for your car. So our car has vintage air since 2003. Of course, right now we're using heater, so not cold. And then summertime we can use cooler, air conditioning. So this is last year footage. Yeah, this is last year summertime footage. My daughter always sit on the child seat. So it was 36 degrees outside. Yeah, that was crazy hot. But my daughter slept inside our car because air conditions working so great, very comfortable inside car. That's why our daughter can sleep in our car. Yeah, so 65 years old car has air condition. In the winter time we can use heater, and the summertime we can use cooler. Yeah, this is vintage air picture. Anyway, our car is very comfortable. It looks like a brand new 2020 Japanese car. Yeah, so we're going to the shop right now, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.